Hi, my amazing souls. How are you doing? How are you? Are you doing well? Are you blessed? Are you doing fantastic? I really hope so. And so am I. It's your blissful soul, Katrina WW for Wajiko. And I'm blessed and I'm happy. And oh my goodness, this vlog is so long overdue. This vlog is for last year. This happened last year, but I was busy with so many things, and yeah, actually I had forgotten about them. I've discovered there's even a vlog I lost. Yeah, so it's okay. So we are doing this now. I bought these what do we call this? Washing machine cover because I moved to a new place, the house you've been seeing now. And when I moved here, they didn't have like it was supposed to stay outside. In my former house, it used to stay inside the house. I had two corridors. So in one corridor, it could fit, and there was everything. There was a socket, a sink, and the bathroom was just there. But now here, it had to go outside as we waited to see where I was supposed to put the essentials like the socket and a tap. I didn't have we don't have that in this house. I actually had to pay for it to be done in this house. So keeping it here, I was like, where? No, the vumbi, the dust is really affecting my machine. So I said I really have to buy the washing machine cover because the washing machine didn't come with the cover, and I didn't have a reason to get a cover until I got into this house. So I had just moved in. I had actually just moved in. Sorry, loves, I forgot to put it on do not disturb mode so that it stops alerting us anytime something is coming in. Yeah, so that's what is happening. And I had also bought some other things that you're going to see. But first, let's clean up my washing machine, cover it up from this dust, and you'll see what else did we buy. And my excitement, because this is a purchase I had been wanting to get for so long, and I didn't, and there's a reason why I didn't, and I'm going to tell you soon. Okay, but now some bit of music so that you don't get tired from listening to my beautiful voice.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down.
is it. Oh my goodness. Like, this is it, guys. Ah, this is it. And I got the TV guard as well. So, yeah, I bought a TV after a very long time. The last time I had a TV was in 2019, 2020, thereabout. And then my sister broke it. And the psych to replace it, like, for me, something that wasn't my fault. Like, I'm not the one who did it. I just didn't have the strength for it. And then, of course, with COVID, a lot happened. Finances were low. Like, yeah, like life really happened during that season. Yeah, I wasn't left out. I did. Oh, it did a number on me financially and all that. So I couldn't. So on this day, when I went to get that that washing machine cover, I also got a TV guard, and I also got this what do we call this, for mounting the TV mounts. Yes, so the guy who is supposed to mount is coming. So while I had also taken time, I had said I was going to reward myself after staying for that long without. I had said I wanted to buy a different brand, 65 or 70, 65 to 75 inches. Yeah, your goals, your dreams have to be up there. They have to like scare you, to make sense, to make you, really get yourself into it. I don't want to say to really work hard or whatever, but you're getting it. Because I believe if you set it so low, then you don't really have motivation, and you need it. So you have to set it up there so that it pushes you to do, your very best. And that was the case here. But now, yeah, this day had come, and this is what we got. Yeah, the last one I had was a 32, yeah, a 32 inch, but it was still a Vitron, or is it Vitron? And I really loved it. It really served me well. So at least when I couldn't get the 65 or so inches, I couldn't go back to 32 or anything lower. I just couldn't. So I decided to go with 43 inch at that time. At least now that made some sense. It was still an upgrade. Yeah. And oh my goodness, the joy. You guys, you don't get it. But you're going to see shortly. Even it's because this place is noisy. I had so much company, and they were kids, so it was really noisy. Otherwise, you could be hearing me, the screaming, the shouting, the excitement, the happiness, the joy. You will just be hearing it all. But yeah, soon. Oh my God, call me materialistic, but who else loves unboxing things? There is just a joy that comes with unboxing new items. Like, oh, even if it's myself, and I who has bought that thing for myself, just unboxing it feels, oh, Jesus. Especially if I've done it for myself, because I'll be honest with you, this wasn't the life I was praying for. Yeah, I'm telling you, see, how do you know you have kids around without saying it? They are the mess. So, yeah, you see that? So for me, I never thought I would be doing these things for me. I am a romantic through and through, and I believe in the godly way of things. A man provides, a woman manages what the man provides. I don't believe in making these big purchases as a woman, when I have a man. So trust me, this wasn't my plan to be buying myself things like this. I should have been there telling you, my man, oh my God, he bought us a TV. He took us out. We are going on vacation. My man. I can't even do 50-50. I won't. I've done it before. It's not for me. It didn't even get me a certificate, to say the least, a certificate, Like no reward came from it. No reward comes from being Miss Nice Girl, Nothing. It doesn't help. It didn't help me. So yeah, I'm back to my roots. I'm a woman. I'm well provided for. So when you see me in a relationship, just know the man is doing that. 100%. No 50-50 from me. No. Oh my goodness. So when I do it for myself, it's extraordinary. I'm not supposed to be doing this, but here I am doing this. So it feels so like, why am I doing these big things? Teeny tiny me, little miss me. Oh, the joy, you guys. Okay, let me shut up.
Now confess, these are my confessions. 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 I choose challenges.
Na nini but sikuchukuza. Siniambie nimeenda kukuuza sijui wapi. Hey, hata nimesahau kuambia nimefungueni watajua the size ya remote.
These
I have this habit of gifting myself when I do major things, major bills. So I gifted myself this necklace. I know you've been seeing it, but this was when I bought it. Yeah, earlier on in 2025. So like the video, please share, please comment positively, and subscribe if you haven't. See you on the next one.